Namaskar. This video pertains to point number 8.1.c, that is development and use of appropriate pedagogic approaches in day-to-day teaching activities, including delivery of FLN involving adoption of various strategies to improve fundamental literacy and numeracy skill in schools, etc. Before I proceed, I would like to talk about what is FLN. FLN is a program which particularly focuses on the age group of 0 to 8 years. Its aim is that students learn in a joyful manner through play, stories, rhymes, activities, local art and craft and music, and develop strong foundations for lifelong learning. So that is the stage from 0 to 8 years where we have to develop the base of the students. So FLN completely focuses on this. Now, let me talk about the role of our school and the faculty members in the development of the students for the age group of 0 to 8 years. Here in this connection, I would like to talk about that our school starts from class 6. So this area doesn't belong to us. As when the students join our school in class 6, they are 11 to 12 years of age. So this age they have already covered. So we have nothing to do with this, but definitely I would like to say that the maximum strategies which are very useful for this particular age, we try to cover them when they join our school in class 6. Now, let me talk about what are the development and use of appropriate pedagogic approaches. We apply the following pedagogic approaches in our day-to-day life. There are a lot of pedagogic approaches which a teacher uses, and he or she uses all these pedagogic approaches in the situation which he or she feels appropriate. There are a lot of methodologies and pedagogic approaches which the teachers are using, but they have to change from time to time, seeing the interests and needs of the cadets. So innovative pedagogic approaches which we are applying in our day-to-day life in our school, that is in Sainik School Rewa, are innovative pedagogies, multiple approaches to teaching, keeping pace with current and future developments, use of experiential learning, art-based education, inquiry-based learning, structured approach, direct and indirect methods, and so on and so forth. We also use the theories like social constructivism, behaviorism, liberationism, adoption of various strategies to improve fundamental skills, and so on and so forth. These strategies, these approaches, these pedagogic approaches as well as practices which we are using in our day-to-day life are very, very beneficial to our students. And as I have already told that as and when different types of approaches are required in a particular classroom to develop particular type of aims and objectives, these different types of approaches are applied. We develop literacy and numeracy skills as well. With the help, with the approaches which I have just talked about, we also try to develop literacy and numeracy skills at different levels, right from class 6 to 12. So at last but not the least, I would like to talk about the importance of pedagogic approaches and their proper implementation. So the pedagogic approaches which I have just talked about, if they are applied properly in proper situations, I am 100% sure the students will definitely go a long way in completing, in achieving his goals for which he or she has joined Sainik School Rewa. They will definitely reach to their destination and they will definitely become self-reliant. Thank you very much. Namaskar.